Let's connect with our chartists, Nooresh and Kunal Bothra, joining right back in to take us through their Chartbuster calls. Kunal, what's looking good today?
Thank you, Avan, for that. So it's Tata Consumers, the stock which I think on the short-term basis has gone through a major consolidation. This is the recent charts from the month of May that stock, month of May when the stock started to get into a rally, touched the high of 850, 860 approximately, and then went to this major consolidation. So as you can see, that the stock was stuck into this range of 870 on the upside broadly and closer to 800, on the downside as a major support. The recent support for the stock was closer to 820 levels, and this range of consolidation, which we call it as a triangular pattern, the stock confirmed a breakout start of the month of September. Now, interestingly, post that we've seen the stock moving up higher, but then there have been multiple retests towards this major trendline support, and every time the stock comes closer to this support, there is demand, there is a bullish candlestick pattern which gets formed, and the stock tends to get into a breakout back again. So I would expect the stock to start getting into a breakout mode. 920 approximately is the previous swing high for Tata Consumers. I think that should be taken out over the very near term, and expecting the stock to rally by at least another 5% over the very near term.
All right, Nooresh, let's get in your Chartbuster idea. Nooresh, you're on mute.
That would be a chart for power grid. So if we look at the chart for the last 3 months, the stock has been making a bottom around 180, 85 multiple times. On the upper end, 195 to 199 was a resistance. We crossed above that, but for the last 3 weeks, we've been consolidating around this area. A triangle formation, a classical consolidation and a contraction of range. Once it crosses 204, 205 levels, that would be a breakout which could take it to 230 to 250. At current levels, it's a very nice risk reward wherein the stop loss comes to 194 and a target price of 230 to 250. Add more on the way up about 204, 205.
Let's get some stock specific ideas as well. Kunal?
So two buy calls. IOC is the first stock which I would suggest as a buy. The stock making a comeback again about 90 plus levels. Buy with a target of 95, stop loss at 88. And Manappuram Finance is the other stock which is also heading towards a breakout above 146 mark. So buy with a target of 155, stop loss at 144.
Right, Nooresh, what about your stock specific strategies?
So first is a buy on Petronet. The stock has started reversing after the correction. Stop loss at 228, target price of 250. Second is a buy on Hero MotoCorp, trying to sustain about 3100 levels. Could see some more momentum. Stop loss at 3080, target price of 3250.